will talk about how can you delete accounts on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click on photo profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on profile, just click on it. When you click here on profile, you come to next step here, then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on delete account, just click on it. Then here you select reason here. When you select it, then it's going to delete with you here on your Pocket Option app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.